Did you get a toothbrush? Huh? Did you get a toothbrush for your teeth first? Huh? Brushing those teeth? You're doing a good job. Yep. Doing a really good job with those toofers. Yeah. Doing a great job. Don't stick it in too far, it'll gag you. Oh, that's a good job. Yeah. Brushing teeth is important. Now you got toofers, you need to brush them. Yeah. Yeah. Brush it, brush it, brush it. Well, stop DK germs fast. Fast. Fast is sure alright. You like that toothbrush? Huh? Let's see that new toothbrush. Let's see it. Let's see it. Show it to us. Let me see. You like it? I'm Superman? You're funny. Good job. Just get those two in the front. Good job. Yeah. You're a great brusher.